Here's a 2019 BMW X6. Just got recently detailed and buffed. Paint looks really, really good. No dings or dents. Let's do a quick startup on this thing. $104,000 miles, 104,754. Hard to believe. It does also have the heads-up display on this car, which is really, really cool. Backup camera with sensors. Got different modes right here. Sport package, Sport Plus. Back to comfort if you want. Paddle shifters. It's a really, really cool vehicle. Lets me know the hood's been popped. Figure out the hood latch system. There we go. Twin power turbo. Looks nice. Beautiful, beautiful vehicle.